Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. It is race week, so there's no more running, no more training. I've decided not to bring my own food, so hopefully the aid station nutrition is pretty similar and not too upsetting for my stomach. But if I'm not carrying a bunch of food and water, there's really no reason for me to wear a heavy running vest. So I did some last minute shopping and picked up this Flipbelt. I'm a size medium with a 32 waist. I did my last training run with it and it felt pretty comfortable on the waist. It was the most minimalistic thing for cell phone, keys, wallet. Let's get packing. Here are some filming stuff: watch charger, body glide, toiletries, flip belt, race day clothes, everyday clothes. Let's pack it up and head out. I made it. Got some coffee, even picked up some beans to take home. Let's go pick up our bibs and do some sightseeing. We've checked in and picked up our bibs, drove around to check out the path a little bit, had some pasta. It's still pretty early, but we're gonna try to sleep and wake up at 4 a.m. Good morning. I ended up getting 6-7 hours of sleep. I'm pretty much ready. We got credit card, cash, ID in our flip belt. Going to eat some breakfast and take an Uber to the start line. I had so much fun. The energy was great. I'm sorry I couldn't get more video during and after. I was kind of focused on trying to push myself a little bit, and after I just wanted to get home. We got a water bottle, beanie, this medal, and pretty cool towel. I think I got very lucky with the weather. It was perfect. The nutrition from this company called Precision sat with my stomach, no problem. No random chafing, no blisters. The main limiting factor was my knees. They started to get sore around 15-20 miles, so I had to slow down a little bit, just making sure they weren't getting any worse. I can't wait for next year, see if I could beat my time. Hopefully these 3 videos will help other beginners looking into getting into marathons. But for now, video 238 done.